Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a Valentine's Day room tour. So yeah, let's just get started. On my door, we have a Happy Valentine's Day door sign. Over here, we have this cute little pink duck, this little plush with glasses, and then on my vanity, we have this little camper, a little self-love jar, my Snoopy with his little heart, Happy Valentine's Day balloon, some mirror decals, an XOXO flag. And then on my bed, we just have some Valentine's Day related stuffed animals, this cute blanket with hearts, as well as a pillow with hearts. I also have this little lip tumbler cup thing. And then over there, we have a sign that says Happy Valentine's Day, loads of love. I have my cute little pink bear, this poppet, just some like random things, gnomes, little hearts, XOXO sign. We have my lip scarf, and then here's my vanity. We have a little gummy bear jar, some spray, a candle, this little cute sign, my ducks, just some rose petals and hearts, this little thing right here, and then my heart dish. So yeah guys, that is all for the Valentine's Day room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.